Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, September 16, 2025. Opening brief. What's up, travel fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting, passport pretty, points petty, rolling back to the States with tea hotter than the jet bridge. Buckle up, we flying through the mess and the blessings. First brief. EWR radar gremlin aftermath. Newark's radar hiccup yesterday had ops wobbling. FAA says a fault impacted the terminal radar at EWR on September 15, techs mitigated and flights kept moving, but expect schedules today to still play catch-up. Translation, check your gate like it owes you money. Jersey said, radar. I barely know her. If your connection's tight, move like TSA pre, no window shopping baby. Second brief. France ATC strike, postponed, breathe, Paris weekenders. That French air traffic control walkout set for later this week. Waved off for now. Multiple travel trades report the strike is postponed, so transatlantic plans look smoother, for the moment. Still watch your email, France stays ready with plot twists. Paris said, we're not arguing today, come spend money in peace. Don't test them though. Pack patience and a croissant. Third brief. Amtrak, today's track work shuffle. Crescent, NYC, ATL, NOLA service adjustments September 16 to 18 for maintenance, check altered times/sections. Michigan Corridor, Wolverine/Blue Water/Pear Market timetable tweaks this week, peep your specific train before you Uber to the station. If the conductor yelled, bus bridge, don't panic, just treat it like a surprise field trip. But use the restroom first. Trust me. Wildcard brief. Seat swap soap opera in row 22. What went down? Boarding smooth till row 22 turns into a casting call. A couple wants to sit together, the only open seat nearby is a middle. Window guy offers a swap, window for middle, and sweetens it with 2 gummy packs and a charger that looks like it's seen wars. Aisle lady says she'll switch if the window is front of wing. Meanwhile, a good Samaritan in row 23 volunteers, but he's got a pet backpack and needs underseat space. The plane becomes negotiation island. Flight attendant steps in, y'all can trade like for like and keep the aisle clear, we've got a schedule. Final tally, aisle lady gets front of wing window, same row, window guy takes aisle, couple sits together in the newly freed middle, and the gummies become community property. Baby, you can trade beachfront for basement and call it fair. Window don't equal middle, math ain't mathin', dot. Why your brand new charger got 1998 energy? Keep that museum piece. If you're negotiating seat swaps while blocking the aisle, congratulations, you're the delay now. Row 22 did more diplomacy in 3 minutes than half the world leaders. Somebody give them pre-board and a peace prize. Travel tip of the day. If your connection is under 45 minutes at EWR today, that's not a layover, that's cardio. Sit aisle, pack light, and stretch. And another travel tip. Want better swap odds? Offer up, don't demand. Led with, happy to give you my aisle/window if you'd help us sit together. Add a smile and a same row option, works like charm. Also, check the seat map T 24 hours and again at the gate, seats reshuffle when elites clear. Fourth brief. Tropics, quiet like a red-eye cabin, no named systems. The National Hurricane Center's morning outlook shows no active tropical cyclones in the Atlantic. Good news for cruisers and Caribbean flyers, still, afternoon storms always got hands. Ocean outside chillin', bartender inside grillin'. That's resort math I can support. Fifth brief. Cruise bag chasers, ASA Advantage Cruises promo, this week only. Through September 21st, book select sailings and snag on-board Credit Plus bonus miles. If your love language is free drinks by the Atrium Bar, say less and compare the fine print. On-board credit. That's spot toast plus 2 pina coladas. Budget who? She on vacation too. Sixth brief. U.S. Mexico shake up, Delta Aeromexico told to unwind JV. Regulators are pushing the partners to split their deep tie-up, industry watchers say more competition on cross-border routes could follow. Breakups at the border. Somebody gonna start answering DMs with cheaper fares. Closing brief. For clean comparisons on flights, hotels, and cruises, slide to breathtakinglagoon.com, one click, no extra fees, no funny business. Rattles out. Peace.